Oh, very good morning. Hello everyone. We are here to start a new chapter of class 9th of your physics, that is work, energy and power. It is very important chapter that today we are going to discuss. So in this chapter we will discuss about three concepts. The first is work, second is energy and third is power. So first of all we will discuss here about the work. So what is work? What is work? Very common question. What do you mean by work? So in physics, work is said to be done when force is applied on a body and body moves through some distance, or when the force applied and displacement takes in a body, that is called work done. If the body is displaced, it means work has been done. If body is not displaced, it means work is not done. Trick. If displacement takes place, suppose here we are going to discuss work. So work is equal to product of force and displacement. Means force applied on a body and displacement produced in a body. So the product of force and displacement is called work. It is called work. Take it is denoted as W is equal to F S. Take S represent displacement. S represent displacement. Okay. Now suppose a body is lying here. Its body has some mass and force F is applied on it. On application of force F, the body displaces through some distance, and that distance is how much? S, either in meter or centimeter, whatever. So the work done is equal to F into S. Work done is equal to F into S. If there is no displacement, means there is no work done. For work to be done, there must be displacement whenever the force is applied on a body. If force is applied and displacement does not take place, then there is no work. So for work to be done, the necessary condition is that there must be force applied on a body, and due to that force, body has displaced some distance. Body has moved some distance. Displacement must be by the application of force. If there is no displacement, only force is being applied and displacement is not taking place, then there is no work done. Like I am pushing this wall from morning to evening. I am pushing, I am applying force on it, but the wall is not displacing. The wall is not moving. It means there is no work. Okay, now SI unit of work. SI unit of work is joule. Now work is equal to force into displacement. Unit of force is Newton and unit of displacement is meter. It means 1 joule. From here we can define 1 joule is that work if the force of 1 Newton is applied on a body, if the force of 1 Newton is applied on a body and that produce a displacement of 1 meter, it means the work done is said to be 1 joule. 1 joule. Once again, if anyone asks what is 1 joule of work, so 1 joule of work is that work which is produced by when the force of 1 Newton is applied on a body and body moves through a distance of 1 meter. So this is the unit of joule. Sorry, this is the unit of work done. Okay. This is the normal condition of work done. Suppose the force is applied on a body is at inclined at some angle, or work done when displacement and the force is not in the same direction. Work done. Work done. Now we are going to discuss a new concept in this. Work done. Work done when force and displacement are not in same direction. When force and displacement are not in same direction. Suppose the work and displacement are inclined at an angle theta, or the force and displacement is making at an angle theta with each other. We know that W is equal to F into S. Okay, suppose a body A is lying here. Body A is lying here, and a force F is applied. Force F is applied on it, and displacement S takes place in it. So here angle theta. The force and displacement are inclined to an angle theta with each other. Okay, now angle between force and displacement is theta. So in this condition, we know that in this case work done by force will be equal to product of force displacement. Force means the horizontal component of force, that is F cos theta, and displacement. What? Displacement. So that will be equals to Fs cos theta. Here we can say that in your higher classes, when you will study about the vectors, then there you will come to know that the force or any vector quantity that have magnitude as well as direction, that can be divided into two component, that is vertical component and horizontal component. So here the force, it can be divided into two components. That one is horizontal component, that is F cos theta, like this, F cos theta here, and this one is F sin theta. So F sin theta will be cancelled out because there will be no, in this condition, when two components, the one is F sin theta and one is F cos theta, you will come to know that there is normal force mg. So F sin theta. So this perpendicular component will be cancelled out by the weight of the body. Okay, and the displacement that takes place only in the direction horizontal direction. सिर्फ हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा, इसलिए हम हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट ही फोर्स का लेंगे, वर्टिकल नहीं लेंगे, उससे हमको कोई मतलब नहीं है. अब क्यों नहीं लेंगे, क्या है, ये आप हायर क्लास में पढ़ोगे, यहाँ भी आपको इसको डिस्कस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो लेट्स कम टू द पॉइंट. व्हाट विल द फोर्स वर्क डन इक्वल टू Fs cos theta. So W is equal to Fs cos theta, and there theta, its value is greater than 0 and less than 90, or more than 90 जो भी हो, that is the angle. अब हम आपको बताते हैं, there are three conditions of the work done. There will be three conditions of work done. First case, when theta is equal to 0 degree. When theta is equal to 0 degree. So we know that cos 0 is equal to 1. So W is equal to Fs cos 0. So Fs cos 0 की value 1. So it will be equal to Fs, means maximum work done. Condition of maximum work done is equal to Fs when theta is equal to 0 degree, means the direction of force and displacement both are in the same direction, means when force and displacement both are in the same direction, means the force and displacement are parallel to each other. In that condition, work done will be maximum. That is positive work done. You may say that. When second condition, when theta is equal to 90 degree, then cos 90 value is equal to 0, then W is equal to Fs cos 90, that is F into S into 0, that is W is equal to 0. It means there will be 0 work done when the force and the displacement both are perpendicular to each other, means displacement and force are perpendicular to each other, means the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. In that condition, work done will be 0. In that condition, work done will be 0. There will be no work done. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now, third condition, when theta is equal to 180 degree, and we know that cos 180 is equal to minus 1. So W is equal to Fs cos 180, that is equal to Fs into minus 1, that is W is equal to minus Fs, means this is the condition of negative work done, and when this will take place, this condition arises when the direction of force and direction of work done direction of force and displacement are opposite to each other. When the displacement and force are opposite to each other, in that condition work done will be negative. In that condition work done will be negative. Okay beta, so we have studied here about work done. What is work done? So we have studied about work done, unit of work done, what is the condition when the force and displacement are not in the same direction. So we have arise here 3 conditions. When the force and displacement both are in same direction, then there will be maximum work done, means the positive work done. When the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, in that condition, that is the 0 work done, means the minimum work done. Okay, and when the force and displacement are in opposite direction, means there is negative work done. Or so you have to revise up to here. Next we will study in the next class. Till then, thank you, have a nice day, good luck.